In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple users to Calendly. Whether you're a team leader looking to streamline scheduling across your organization, or simply trying to make the most out of your team's free trial, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know in an easy and concise manner. Let's begin by heading to Calendly's website. Simply open up your preferred browser and type in calendly.com. Once you're there, you'll see several options, but today we're focusing on logging in. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. This button is your gateway to accessing all of Calendly's features, so go ahead and give it a click. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address, input your email, and then click continue. This step ensures that you're accessing the correct account, which is crucial, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After this, enter your password and hit continue once more. If you've enabled any additional security features such as two-factor authentication, be sure to complete those steps as necessary. Now that you've logged in, you'll be directed to the Calendly homepage. From here, locating the invite users icon is your next task. This icon is typically found within your user interface, often represented by a friendly silhouette of a group or similar symbol. Clicking on it will open up a world of collaborative possibilities. You'll immediately see an option to invite team members, a handy feature if you're managing a group, and find yourself in a situation where efficient scheduling is key. At this stage, if you're utilizing a Teams free trial account, you're in luck because you have access to 50 seats. This means you can invite up to 50 people to join and collaborate within your Calendly setup without any additional charges during the trial period. It's an excellent opportunity to explore and experience all the available features with your team. When you're ready to start inviting, simply enter the email addresses of those you'd like to add. Ensure the addresses are correct, as this will affect the successful delivery of your invites. Once all desired emails are entered, the next step is as simple as clicking the send invite button. With that click, invitations are whisked away to imminent team members, offering them access to your Calendly environment where they can begin scheduling and collaborating effectively alongside you. And that's all there is to it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily add multiple users to Calendly, enhancing your team's scheduling capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tutorials.